Good morning, Jai Hind. Welcome to my YouTube channel Moto Guru. My name is Amit Lamba. Today I'm again there in front of you with a very informative video. In today's video, we are going to give the answers of some of the questions which my some of the followers they are asking in Messenger. So let's take some questions and I'll try to answer them. Although I'm not an expert, but I will give you the fair reviews based on my own information and knowledge. So the first question comes from P. Henry. I don't know where he's from, and he has asked that he has just purchased an Iron 883. So what upgrades should I do in that? So Mr. Henry, first I will tell you that if you have just purchased an Iron 883, I would not recommend you to upgrade anything for some of the months. Till you drive this bike till 6,000, 7,000 kilometers, then it is the perfect time for upgrading any of the aftermarket items. So the first thing, I'm not sure you want that or you don't want, but if I was there in place of you, the first thing I will upgrade will be the spark plugs and the cables. So these three things, the heavy breather, the cables and the spark plugs, if you upgrade them, we call it as a stage 1X upgradation. This will give you immediate boost in your motorbike. If you want to change the exhaust system, you can choose accordingly whatever the sound you want to change to. And another thing, of course, the aftermarket accessory you should upgrade, like the engine crash guard over here, and you can also go with the customized seats as well as the customized rear view mirrors and the foot pegs. So these are a little bit can say depending upon your type of drive, what kind of drive you want. If you want a comfortable drive, you can choose a very comfy seat, up to you. So as I told you, according to the performance, stage 1 upgradation is what I will go with. So here comes the second question. The question comes from Ahmedabad, and Mr. Nisar is asking that how often should I clean my motorbike? It's a difficult question to answer. Actually, it depends on how dirty is your bike and how is the condition of the road you drive. I will suggest you that don't wash your motorbike too often. Avoid washing too much. It will lose the shining of your bike. Better you use a wet cloth and apply it on your motorbike, remove the dust, and after you are done with that, then use this polish which I'm showing you on your screen. If your bike is in matte finish, then this is the best one for that. And after you are done with that, then keep the bike inside your parking area. It should not get exposed to the sunlight, and if it is done, then you can also lose the color of the bike. So avoid direct expose of the sun and avoid too much of washing. Use a wet cloth. Well, I enjoy driving my bike in monsoon, so it's getting dirty. The third question is from Suzanne. I don't know he's a man or a girl, whatever. Well, my friend, you are asking that the disc brakes of your bike are getting rusted, so how to clean them effectively. Okay, mine also got rusted. You can see over here. I just purchased one stainless steel cleaning polish. The brand is 3M. I don't know how it will work. Let's see if it is working perfectly fine on my bike. I will tell you. Well, one of my friend is also using that one. His name is Gaurav, and he told me that this polish is very effective, and the link I will share with you in the description. This polish, as he told me that it is very effective. You just apply it, and after some time the rust will be gone out. And then, he also told me that after using this polish, the bike's brakes may get affected for 2 days. So keep an eye on that. Good luck. The last question is from Shiva, Maharashtra, and he's asking that what are the good exhaust system for Iron 883 or 48? Okay, this is also a kind of question which will totally depend on your personality and your preferences. Well, for Harley Davidson Iron 883, there are various kind of pipes available in the market. The first one, let's start with the bass, the quality of sound. Better you stick with the stock if you are kind of guy who do not want to listen very high pitch or high bass sound, you better stick with the stock. And after that, the option is Screaming Eagle 3-inch slip-ons. The sound is a little bit more than the stock, but not too much more, so you can choose that one also. The third one is the Vance & Hines staggered shots. This I personally like the most. It has a good bass. Fourth one is the again the Vance & Hines. Its sound is too loud. I don't know whether the police will let you go or not, unless you drive very fast. So these are various options. And the last one is the fish, what do we call it, fish eye or fish tail, something like this, fish tail, I guess. The fish tail exhaust system is for the complete changing from the head to the tail. This exhaust system costs around $2,000, I guess, in India. You can also check on Vance & Hines websites if you want to hear the real live sound. They also gave a link on their website. You can also check it using the headphones. Make sure you are using the headphones for that. So my friends, I hope you love this video. I hope the queries got cleared, and if you still have any kind of query, although I'm not an expert in all this, but I will try my best. You can put all your queries into the comment section. I will try my best to clear them. Hope you love this video and you take care in this lockdown. Drive safe and enjoy the moments of your life. Take care. Goodbye. Jai Hind.